Hey guys, welcome back to day 5 of the 12 days of nailmas. I can't believe it's day 5 already. That time has just flown by. Today I have a kind of cozy tartan design. I just think tartan is so Christmassy and it's just cozy and cute, and I think it's something that's really Christmassy without having to be full on Christmas, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to subscribe and let's get into it. So for this video, I'm going to be using my Light Elegance hard gels, so the colour gels and the glitter gels, the buttercreams and all that kind of thing. So the first colour that I have is Just a Little Selfish from their winter collection, and this is just the perfect Christmas green. If you imagine a Christmas green, this is the exact green that you would picture. And then I have hashtag Don't Be Late, which is a khaki green. This is an older colour, but it's still a favourite. I love khaki green nails. I have Gold Metallic Buttercream, which if you like to do nail art with metallics, I highly recommend that product. It's amazing. And then finally, I'm going to be using Primary Black and Primary White gel paints to do nail art. Again, highly recommend if you like doing hand-drawn nail art. So as the same with all my other videos, I'm using my Take 2 wraps, and I've created these kind of short oval nails. They're really natural, and I wanted to make sure that I did some looks with different nail shapes, nail lengths. This is a really common nail shape and nail length with my clients, so I wanted to make sure that I was doing some nail art for that. So I'm just taking my Light Elegance, I think this is the oval 4 brush from Light Elegance, and I am just painting that Just a Little Selfish colour across every single one of the nails, all exactly the same, painting it on, sticking it in the lamp and curing it. Once they are all cured, I'm taking some of that hashtag Don't Be Late colour, some of the gold buttercream and some of the black and white gel paint, and I'm just putting them onto my palette so I can use them to create the tartan nails in the next little clip. So for the tartan, I'm just using a thin striping brush and that hashtag Don't Be Late colour, and I'm just creating a thick line down the middle, curing it, and then doing a line across the middle horizontally as well. And I have to say, I'm very sorry, because when I went back and was looking at this footage, I realised how out of shot I am for so much of it. So some of it is a little bit pieced together, but I did my best to edit it so you could see as much as possible. So I'm very sorry about that. I will make sure that my next video is perfect. So I'm taking, once I've done the cross with the Don't Be Late, I'm taking the white and I am just creating a cross in a slightly different area. It's kind of hard to explain. You can kind of just see where I'm putting the lines. It's a really good idea to look at some tartan. If you just Google tartan, then you can see all the different variations and different placements for things, but this is just the one that I created, and it's really nice actually because you can play around with the different colours a lot. I was really close to doing a red tartan, but I thought I've done so many red nail looks, I know I'm going to continue doing so many red nail looks, and I just wanted to do something a little different. Now I felt that my index finger was a little bit bland, so I decided to put Sequins of Events, which is just a really pretty glitter with a clear base. So I really like them because you can just lay it on top of any colour and it just kind of slightly transforms it. So I've just put that all over the nail, cured it, and then I have top coated every single one, and this is the finished result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!